ladies and gentlemen, Thursday night. You know what Thursday night is? First is Loving, Bold and Beautiful, Binnenlanders, and then Noord for Noord, and then the Pain Train. This is series 1, episode 3 of how to ignore pain upon your person. Yeah, I've got my
It's episode 4.
You can't get decent
Yeah.
Look how she interrupts me. She's doing this for free, so she's allowed to be a retard. Listen, pain is what is in your mind. Like kidney stones. It's not in your mind. It comes through your willy. But what we've got here tonight, our instruments, is you see, a thing that you swim and then you put it on your feet. That is the instrument what they are going to be put on my person. My able assistant here, Jana, grade 8. She will be taking the mantle of the pain. No, I am the painee. Now, as I said in episodes 1 and 2, ignore the pain. What is pain? Can you die? If you can't die, surely it can't be such a bad thing. Now, what we're going to do here is emphasize, don't try this at home, because why? It's not very clever what we're doing, but we are a family of retards, especially the one who are holding the camera. Now, my baby, what I want you to do, let me give you the count. On the count of 3, you're going to gently persuade my anus to clench this freckly spider. Cameraman, please take this. This one's for the ladies. All the ladies over 74. This is for the ladies. Now just hang on, I need to get my mind right.
Would you like to say any last words?
I'm saying my last words. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, so jumping into a cold swimming pool. There's going to be shrinkage. Okay, hang on, wait. 1. Wait.
How come you tell me?
Okay, wait. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, come on. Was it bad? There's no Father Christmas. Your mother doesn't love you and you're getting that Christmas present.